Thinking about buying a house? Watch this. I'm tired of renting. Why we keep paying for other people's property? It's time to buy a house. The number one question we get is, how much can we get? What's a good price? Are we gonna be on HGTV? We can help you find your price range. But HGTV? Come on, man. My brother out in Texas said they got an 8-bedroom for like $200,000. And then my coworker was just telling me the other day, when they was out in California, they had the whole Fast and the Furious shoot the whole film in their front yard. Can we get HGTV? You talking about Cali and Texas. Come on, man. Your coworkers and your brother, that's a whole different situation. We talking about Florida. This is a whole different beast. Wait, what? Beast? I watched all the X-Men. No, not that kind of beast. I'm talking about the housing market. You know what? Don't even worry about it. Let's start with the numbers you need to know before you apply for your loan. Before applying. Got it. All right, the first number you need to know is how much overall income you got coming in. I mean, I don't even care if it's a fly that flew in the house. How much he bringing in? Overall income. Charge the fly rent. One of the next important things is to make sure you got your seasoned funds prepared. No, not those kind of seasoned funds. I'm talking about deposits that's been in the account for more than 60 days. No? How much do I need? Well, all that depends on the kind of loan you're applying for. If you're applying for a conventional loan, you're talking about 20%. And if you're going for an FHA, you're talking about 3.5% of the overall price. And you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to qualify for the FHA. Now, one of the most important numbers you're gonna need to know, don't forget about any of the other ones, but this one, the debt to income ratio, DTI, okay? I'm gonna say DTI, okay, got it? DTI, what's a DTI? A debt to income ratio. Okay, so what that's gonna do is gonna find out how much money you got going towards your bills, so that will help them calculate how much of a mortgage you will be able to afford. Before you apply for your loan, you want to make sure your credit profile look like an Olympic athlete. Been training all this whole time before you apply. It's ready to go. Huh? Let's not get hung up on the credit number because, I mean, you can still qualify for as low as 500, believe it or not. Yet, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg with your interest rate and your down payment. It's going to look ugly. Whew, that's a relief. Now, the average house in Florida is selling right around $400,000. So now, let's say you're going to take your FHA loan and you're going to go get you a nice house that's right around 45 minutes away from the beach. And now 3.5% of that $400,000 is going to set you right around a $20,000 down payment of seasoned funds. Now, I know this is going to sound crazy, but this is some more information you're going to need to know. What kind of house you want to be in? The kind you live in? What you mean? No, I'm talking about, is this going to be your starter home? Is it going to be an investment home? Is it going to be your forever home? Nah. This is just your first house. We're going to be buying more. Then you got to think about how much work you want to put in the house. Do you want to go ahead and pay that premium so that you can have something turnkey ready? So when you walk in, there's no work that needs to be done? Or like others, they like to DIY and do projects on their own, so they'll get a fixer-upper and just add equity to it as they work on it. By knowing this kind of information, how much work you want to put in, how much work you don't want to put in, it helps structure the deal so it can be baked into the offer. So when we come in to do the negotiations, we'll be able to talk to them and explain, hey, a roof needs to be repaired or the HVAC needs to be repaired. So you're not paying for something that is not ready to go. Okay. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need some help with real estate, all of our contact information is down below. Thank you.